Good morning! Another day, another random vlog. Today we're cleaning out the kitchen, okay? Technically the fridge, because look at this space. I haven't deep cleaned it, truth be told, in a very long time. I'm not even going to tell you the number, okay? We're going to go ahead and clean it today. Again, don't mind the way that I look. Stay at home mom shenanigans. I'll dress up when I go out. This is what we're working with today. It's time to deep clean this baby up. All the sauces that were here, put them all there.
Afraid, just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, and I'll repay.
We're cleaning out the fridge as I go to. Throwing out any trash.
Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't
Quick little tapping against everything.
just like that, come my way. That's my way. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my way. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that, and I'll repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way.
When you have like two mustards and okay, not so bad with like, you know, the leftover dishes I have to throw away. Here are all the sauces. Multiple peanut butters, multiple mustards, ranches, ketchups. Oh, tell me about it. Syrups, cheese, sour cream, jellies. Oh my. Peppers and pickles. Over here, here's all the food. I mean, ingredients. Time to wash these and put them away. Put them all in the fridge. Easier access. Some avocado. The bad part,